Today, we're diving into instances where these officers crossed the line and faced the consequences from the relentless hand of karma. Let's get right into the video. First up, on the 19th of September 2019, a truly unexpected incident unfolded at the Lucios and Emma Nixon Academy Charter School. It all began when 6-year-old first grader Kaya Roll, in the middle of throwing a chaotic tantrum, reportedly kicked and punched 3 school staff members. Then, ex-Florida police officer Dennis Turner arrived on the scene, and the events that followed were nothing short of shocking.
Okay, she's gonna have to come with us now.
Okay, Kai, you
Stand
gotta
up.
go with them, baby girl.
Stand up. Okay, come over here.
What are those for?
It's for you.
Keep your hands, okay? Come over here, honey. It's not gonna hurt.
No!
Okay,
No, I don't want handcuffs on! No! Don't put handcuffs on! Please! Help me! Help me! Please! Help me!
Let's go.
Your grandma will come pick you up, okay?
Oh, I was in school. I just got you.
Come on, let's go.
No, please let me go.
Okay, come on. You can tell me what happened in the car, okay?
I don't want to go to the police car.
You don't want to?
No, please.
You have to.
No, please. Give me a second chance.
You gotta go.
I don't want to use it. No. Please. 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 Please let me go. No. No, help me.
Okay.
Please.
Give me
No.
a second.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Call me if you need something.
After Kaya was handcuffed and placed in the back seat of the officer's patrol vehicle, Officer Turner made the unexpected decision to take the 6-year-old to a local juvenile center and charged her with misdemeanor battery. Surprisingly, the charges were dropped by the prosecutors the very next day. The issue here was that the school's resource officer, Dennis Turner, was supposed to obtain supervisor approval for an arrest of anyone under the age of 12. But it seems he overlooked this crucial step, leading to his termination shortly after the incident. And believe it or not, there's actual footage of Turner proudly boasting to the school staff about arresting little children. Wow.
Yes. And if she was bigger, she would have been wearing regular handcuffs. But the youngest I've ever arrested was 7, and he was stealing out of Albertsons and thought it was a joke. All the rest of the kids were crying, and he was laughing. So that's the only reason he went to jail. He didn't think it was serious.
They just gonna drive around the block and bring it back?
Yeah, great.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. I just have never saw it. So, wow.
6,000 people I've arrested over the 28 years. It's a lot of people.
Okay, 7 is your youngest?
7 is the youngest. She's 8, isn't she?
6.
She's 6. Now she has broken the record. She broke the record.
When Kaya's grandmother heard of the incident, she wasted no time in taking it to the airwaves, where her story quickly went viral.
They say, what do you mean she was arrested? Say there was an incident and she kicked somebody and she's being charged. She's arrested and she has a charge. She's charged with battery. She has a medical condition that we're working on getting resolved. So he says, what medical condition? So I said, she has a sleep disorder, sleep apnea. He says, well, I have sleep apnea and I don't behave like that. No 6-year-old child should be able to tell somebody that they had handcuffs on them and they were riding in the back of a police car and taken to a juvenile detention center to be fingerprinted, mugshot.
Moving forward, on the 10th of May 2023, Ryan Gold was enjoying a casual swim at the pool when an unexpected encounter unfolded. A random man and woman approached him with a man warning Ryan to move, claiming he had a gun. Ryan swiftly dialed the police for help. Shortly after, Officer Bethany Guerrero of the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department arrived at the scene, and this is where things take a dramatic turn.
Come in, how you doing? Keep your hands out your pockets for me.
I'm not the one who's done it.
Sir, I don't keep your hands out of your pockets. Put the phone
I
down.
haven't done a crime. Don't talk to me like
Listen
that.
to me. I don't know you.
Listen,
you can put
I
that
don't
down.
know you. You're the one with the gun. Why?
Get down on the ground now. Get down on the ground.
this?
Get down on the ground.
What the
Because
fuck?
I told you not
That's
to reach for anything.
I haven't committed a crime. You don't have any.
Hands out to your
I
side
haven't
now.
committed a crime.
Now you can put your hands behind your back.
You can't get people for what?
Yes, I can.
For what?
I don't know you.
I don't know you. You're the ones with guns.
I'm detaining you right
That's
now.
fine. You're detaining me for what crime?
Because you don't want to listen.
That's not a crime. Are your body cams on?
Yes, they sure are.
Good. I called you guys for help because this guy's brandishing a gun at me.
Sit down. Sit down. I didn't say get up. I said sit down.
Who is this? Where's your supervisor?
I'm getting
You
one.
see how she's talking? I haven't done anything.
You don't
Why
want
am
to
I in
listen.
handcuffs? I don't care. You're not my mom.
Because I'm
You're not
coming
my
here
dad.
for a gun.
That's fine. I don't have a gun. I haven't committed a crime.
And when I told you to keep your hands out of your pockets,
You're
you
not
did it.
I didn't commit a crime. You don't get to tell me what to do.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Why are you yelling at me?
Because I have every
Who
right to
are
right
you?
now.
What's your badge number?
321 Guerrero, Guerri. Make sure you spell it right.
If you're this scared of a guy in a
Scared I've been here
swimsuit,
for 20 years.
you're terrified of a guy in a swimsuit. I didn't do anything.
You can shut your mouth now.
They just detained me. I explained. There's no gun. That
I
guy
don't
has a gun.
detain anybody for no reason.
Then what reason?
Because I
What
told you
crime
to
did I commit for
Can
you
you
to detain
shut your
me?
mouth so I can explain it to
Are you in charge of this lady?
The arrogant female deputy who unlawfully detained Mr. Gold continues to take off with him while on the body cam.
Just tell me what crime I'm in handcuffs for.
Because I get called in because
Crime.
someone is...
What's suspicion?
You don't need to be in crime.
Yes, I do. To detain me, you
detained.
need suspicion of a crime.
No, you do not.
Yes, you do. You don't know the law? Please explain it to me. You cannot just go around detaining random people.
Can you calm down for a second?
I'm in
Can you
handcuffs for
calm down?
random.
Obviously, we're not
Can I
getting
stand
anywhere.
up? I'll calm down if I can stand up.
No,
you
you're not
can
standing
have
up.
your seat on the ground.
For what
standing
crime?
up.
What did
I'm
I
in
do?
charge, not you.
No, you're not. Okay.
No,
I'm not gonna do it. What did I do?
Down, all right?
What did I do?
All right, don't try to get up. Sit down.
Excuse me, sir. Are you in charge? Can someone tell me why I'm in
I already
handcuffs?
told someone
What
to try to
crime
get here.
or what?
Right now, all I need you to do is keep your mouth shut.
I don't care. I'm not gonna do it. Arrest me.
You are under
Yeah,
arrest.
I want you. Okay, arrest me.
You're
Go
you're
ahead,
under
take me to
arrest for
jail.
resisting. I am
Go
gonna
ahead,
take
take
you
me to jail. Take me to jail right now. Take me to jail. Do it. Do it.
Oh, I will.
Do it. I'm ready.
going to.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready.
What's your name, dude?
Excuse me.
What's your name? What's your
Allow
name?
me to stand up
What's
and
your name?
No.
No.
Negative. Doesn't work that way.
Okay. Tell me what crime I'm here for.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. You're under arrest.
For what crime?
You have to give your name. You're already on the
That's fine. What crime though?
Don't worry. She already told you.
She's already got
Resisting arrest is a secondary charge. That's a secondary charge.
It's not a secondary.
Then take me to jail. I'm not
You are
going
going to jail. Don't
Okay,
worry
let's
about
go.
it. I got you.
Let's go.
There's your supervisor. right
That's
there.
fine. I'm ready. Take me.
You can sit there.
I'm ready to go to jail. Take me.
You're going to go.
Is
Trust
your
me.
body camera on, sir?
All our body cameras are on.
Perfect.
Immediately after the incident, Ryan was released without any charges and an investigation was launched. On the 25th of August 2023, Deputy Bethany Guerrero was officially dismissed from her position. The police department took this action due to her actions, which were found to be in violation of several department policies. Next up, on the 27th of November 2022, in the Palm Coast community of Florida, Trooper Jordan Capella reported a rather unusual incident. It all started with a man decided to park his vehicle directly over the boundary lines of a handicap spot right in front of a convenience store. What made it even more puzzling was the complete absence of any handicap signs, making it evident that the truck was out of place. The driver of this vehicle, Austin Tuning, who also happened to be a police officer, is now under suspicion of DUI and has the added issue of illegally parking his vehicle. Let's see where this intriguing situation takes us from here.
Do you have diabetes or epilepsy?
Yes, sir.
Any injuries that prevent you from performing sex?
Yes, sir. I had a knee surgery on my right knee
How long ago?
about 15 years ago.
Do you have any issues walking, talking?
Yes, sir. I take blood pressure medication and antidepressant medication.
And those affect you walking, talking, listening, learning new things.
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to perform these exercises?
Whatever you want me to do, sir.
You've been in my shoes numerous times.
Whatever
So stop playing charade and answer the question.
There's no charade, sir. I'm providing you an answer. Whatever you need to do to comply with whatever orders we are providing you with, I gladly perform.
Your sobriety exercises are voluntary.
According to your driver's license, it's not voluntary. So I'm asking you whatever you need to perform, I'll gladly.
He then performs a series of sobriety field tests, and then another bombshell is exposed.
How long have you been working with some of those?
The last 2 months, sir.
How long has it been stopped?
12 years, sir.
And what do you do with people who are impaired?
I have called them a ride, and I have done a DUI investigation, sir.
So you need to get on your back, you're under arrest for DUI. Relax. Relax your arms. Chewy, relax your arms. In my car, on my spotlight, there's an extra set of handcuffs. Relax your arms.
I've told you this before, haven't I?
Yes, sir, and I wasn't impaired at that time.
No, you let you go, and I know.
It's because I wasn't impaired. There was no reason to conduct a further investigation. Probably for improper speed, sir.
Right.
45. I was probably going, what? Do you have it documented on your,
I don't recall the speed.
Okay.
I've been you before.
Yes, sir. And we had a personal issue. And we had a personal conversation at that traffic stop, did we not, sir?
Yep, and I told you you were tripped out.
Yes, sir. And that wasn't a personal traffic stop, that was just a traffic stop, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
When I'm on duty, nothing with you is personal.
Yes, sir. Doubt that.
FHP, don't make DUI.
Suspected DUI.
Well, that's going to be your charge.
Yeah.
1830.
What's your suspicion of DUI?
The following Sunday morning, the wheels of karma caught up with his cop, and Mr. Tuning faced the consequences as he was charged with DUI and was terminated from his position at the Holy Hill Police Department.